This 1-minute Bible lesson will explain salvation. Salvation means to be saved from your sins and the fiery consequences of them. The way you receive salvation is shown in Ephesians chapter 2, verses 8 through 9. For by grace are you saved through faith, and that not of yourselves, it is the gift of God, not of works, lest any man should boast. Here the Bible explains that you are saved through faith, which you must put in Jesus Christ. Notice it says, not of yourselves. That means you cannot earn it through good works, nor can you lose it through bad works. It is simply a gift of God. To better understand this, picture giving a gift to a very young child. When you present them the gift, you do not ask for something in return, because they have nothing to offer you. You pay for the gift yourself and then offer it to them. The same is true of salvation. Jesus paid for your sins on the cross and offers you the free gift of salvation if you choose to put your faith in Him.